Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Why am I standing in the woods? Well, I'm going to tell you why, and I have something special for you, so make sure you stay tuned.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, so why am I standing in the woods? Well, right now, I'm in my backyard. This is a portion of my backyard. It kind of looks like a secret passageway. Panning left and right, there's a nice big field and stuff. And then, we have a pond. It's really, really gorgeous out here. And so I'm enjoying nature, but I'm recording this in my backyard now, but I'm actually enjoying nature up at Camp Manitoumi, which is near Peoria. We're up there right now ministering to the kids at our church camp. And so we wanted to offer you guys a special deal while we're gone, just to encourage you guys to say, hey, when we enjoy new things, we get to pass some of the fun along to you. So we're up there at Camp Manitoumi doing all sorts of things. The zip line, we're swimming, we're playing games, and we have 26 kids with us, and Paul is actually the speaker. So I get to do a portion of the missionary section, and then he is speaking all of the Bible lessons and stuff. So it's really, really going to be a great week, and we're super excited. But we wanted to share with you a special deal just because we're up at camp. So you're going to get 10% off Saturday and Sunday using the promo code CAMP, C-A-M-P, CAMP. So we're enjoying camp, so we want you to enjoy discounts because we're at camp. We'll probably tell you a bunch about it on some of our live streams following this week, but we wanted to share with you the fun nature that we have in our backyard, and then also share with you the fun things we're doing at camp. So hopefully you enjoy the discount code. Go straight to hookedonpickin.com, use the promo code CAMP when you check out, and you'll get 10% off every single item in the store, and that even includes my consultation phone calls and reseller items. And I just put literally over 100 new items on the store before we left for camp, which you may have been seeing us unbox this week. So hopefully it's been fun to watch this video and take advantage of the fun by using that promo code CAMP. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. Make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below. I am standing here in front of our pond to remind you that we have a lot of water things on hookedonpickin.com. You can check out, we've got some snorkel and flippers, we've got goggles, we've got foam water blasters, we've got fast fill water balloons. We've also got swimsuit cover-ups and women's swimsuits that you can buy in packs. You choose the size. So go and check out all of our summer items that we have available on hookedonpickin.com. They're going to be for a limited time during the summertime, and so you need to buy them up.